Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. Today we are going to learn how to delete a row in MySQL. If you want to learn more about MySQL, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. Topic to be covered: how to delete a row in MySQL. SQL delete statement. We can delete a row from the MySQL table using the delete statement within the database. Syntax of delete statement. The generic syntax of delete statement in MySQL to remove one or more rows from a table. Delete from database name dot table name per condition specified. Warning: it is noted that if we have not specified the where clause with the syntax, this statement will remove all the records from the given table. This is our favorite MySQL workbench. First, we'll create database and table. Then we insert some value. Then we delete the row. Database if exist department. Create database. Database name is department. We'll use this database department. Create table math. Table name math. First bracket. Column name ID. Data type int. Not null. Codes. Another column name code. Data type worker. Specify the length. Not null. We are first creating the database. Database name is department. And new table name math, which has two column ID and codes. Execute the selected portion. Refresh this. Our database is ready. Department, table math, column ID, codes. First, select star from department dot math. our database name department, table name math. I will recommend you that you should first watch my create database and table video and select query. In that videos, I have described more about how to create database and table, how to use select query. ID course. Now I will insert some value. Insert into table name, database name dot table name math, column ID course course values 1 calculus 1 calculus calculus 1. I'm inserting one row. One row is affected. Checking that value. Here is our value ID1 calculus 1. ID1 calculus 1. Now I will insert another value calculus 2 calculus 2. ID will be 2 course calculus 2. One row is affected. It works. Calculus 1 calculus 2. Now I will delete ID2 and course this row ID2 second row, and now I will delete second row. To do this, delete from department name. This is our database name, table math, where we have to use the condition where id equal to. We want to delete this row, second row, id2 course calculus 2. It will. I want to delete second this row, last, or our second row. Let's see, check whether it is works or not. It will not work. Let's see. Let's see what is our where id2. You are using save update method. You try to update a table without working. You are getting errors. To solve this, for security reason, MySQL cannot allow it, but we can do it. We have to change the setting. We have to untick the save update mode. Now we are going to edit preference SQL editor. You have to uncheck it. Save updates. See, you are using save update mode. You try to update a table. You have to untick it. to run our delete statement. Okay. First, you have to close the MySQL. Then you have to open MySQL again. Then it will work. We are closing this MySQL. We are opening MySQL Workbench. Local instance. First, we use select statement. ID one calculation. We want to delete this second row. Delete from database name dot table name condition where id equal to. Execute the selected portion. See, it's work. One row is affected. Let's check. Select. See, second row is deleted. ID 2. Force calculus 2. Now I am writing this option that what I did to uncheck the save update mode. I did edit preferences SQL editor SQL editor uncheck save updates step. Then you have to close MySQL. Then open again MySQL. To delete any row, you have to change this setting. I've written this edit preference SQL editor uncheck save updates close MySQL. Then you have to again open MySQL. Edit preference SQL editor uncheck this option. Then press OK. Here it is written rejects updates and deletes with no restriction. To delete it, you have to uncheck the save updates option. Okay. I hope you understand how to delete a row in MySQL. Thank you for watching this video.